Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Redmi A3 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, enter your PIN. You can see wrong PIN enter, try again. You can see this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power key together. Now tap on power off to power off the smartphone. Now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together like this. Press and hold it. And now release. As you can see, here you can see no command. Now press the power and volume up key to go in recovery menu. As you can see Android recovery. Use volume up, down and power to confirm. Here you can see use volume key to move up and down and power button to confirm. So now here go to wipe data. Here you can see go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And here you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory reset and confirm. You can see formatting data, wiping data. So here you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset, it might take some time to boot up the device. And after hard reset, when ask for password, PIN or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Redmi A3 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.